What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of the VG6 Precision Gamma 556 Muzzle Break. So with that, should be a short one here. This is for 556223. Oh, this is nice packaging. Wow, look at this. So you open it, it's almost like buying a new watch. Open it, and there we go. We got our muzzle brake right there. Looks awesome. And then it also comes with a crusher washer too, so you can use that to put on the end and thread it on, and looks pretty dope. It'll go easily on any AR. I believe the threads is half by 28. Half by 28. Yep, half by 28 right hand. So yeah, any half by 28 AR you have, this will go on there nicely and look awesome. Good finish to any AR you might be building. So let's make sure nothing else in the package here. Nope, just some silicone gel. But yeah, pretty nice box. Too bad I'm just going to throw it away and just use the muzzle brake. But either way, I always love when companies actually, have good products with good packaging. Makes you feel like you're getting a good bang for your buck when you buy it. So with that, that's it. That's it for this video. The Gamma 556 flash muzzle brake that you can put on your AR. All it comes with is the brake and a crusher washer, and that's all you need to get it on your AR. So if this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Got a bunch of other videos for you to check out as far as firearm related. If you got questions, let me know down in the comments. Always happy to help. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.